If you want to change the underline color in Microsoft Word, this tutorial is going to walk you through the process step by step in a simple and easy way. Whether you're formatting a school project, a business document, or just trying to make your text stand out a little more, changing the underline color can help your document look more polished and professional. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Microsoft Word tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word is open, open the document that contains the text you want to edit. If you're starting from scratch, you can also type a new line of text and underline it first, but for this example, we'll assume you already have underlined text in your document. Next, select the underlined text you want to change. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse across the words, or by holding down Shift and using the arrow keys if you prefer keyboard selection. This step is important because Word will only change the underline color for the text that you have selected. Now go up to the Home tab in the top toolbar. The Home tab is where most of the common formatting tools are located, including font style, size, bold, italic, underline, and color options. Once you're on the Home tab, look for the font section. In that font section, you may notice the font color button, and depending on your version of Word, you might also see a small arrow or drop down next to it. Click that small arrow to open more color and formatting options. In some versions of Word, the underline color option may appear when you click the underline drop-down or additional text effects options, so don't worry if it looks slightly different on your screen. From the menu that opens, click Underline Color. This is the setting that controls the color of the underline itself, not the text color. That's a really important distinction because changing the text color and changing the underline color are two separate formatting actions in Microsoft Word. Once you click Underline Color, a color palette will appear. Now simply choose the color you want. You can pick from one of the preset colors, or choose a more specific shade depending on your version of Word. As soon as you select the color, Word will apply it to the underline on your highlighted text. If the text already had a black underline, you should now see it change to the new color you selected. If you want to make the text and underline match, you can also adjust the font color separately using the font color tool. That's completely optional, but it can create a cleaner and more consistent look. And that's really all there is to it. Just open your document, select the underlined text, go to the Home tab, open the color options, choose Underline Color, and then pick the color you want. It's a quick formatting trick, but it can make a big difference in how your document looks. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more Microsoft Word tips, formatting tutorials, and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.